Want rich dimensional hair color? Today, I'll show you how to color hair in multiple layers for a salon-style finish. Start with clean, dry hair. Gather your tools: gloves, clips, brush, foils, and your chosen hair colors. Divide the hair into 4 sections: top, sides, and back. Clip them up neatly. This will make layering easier. Begin with the bottom section. Apply your base color evenly from roots to tips. This creates depth. Now move to the middle layers. Add highlights or lighter tones using foils. This gives contrast and dimension. On the top layer, use a slightly brighter shade or balayage technique. This ensures the final look is vibrant and natural. Leave the color to process as directed, then rinse with cool water and apply conditioner. And here's the final look. Beautiful multi-layered color that adds depth, shine, and style. Here's another stunning final look. Like and subscribe for more hair tutorials.